Welcome to our AI-powered hiring tool, built to help you find the best talent faster than ever.
So this is the voice which is already existing. Now let me search for my clone, and I can select. So in yesterday's video, we created a full animation video using Protagon. But what about the AI voice in there? It's just decent. But what if you could add your own voice or a cloned version of your own voice, and that too in just a few clicks? Welcome to day 144 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today we will be using PlayHT, an AI-based tool to generate ultra-realistic human voiceovers or clone of your own voice. And this helps to bring our characters to life. Let's get started. First, head over to play.ht and click on try for free. It'll ask you to sign up. As always, I'll go with Google. Once you're in, you can see a lot of things on the screen. You can create voice clone. You can see the voices.
こんにちは、お元気ですか？私の声を選んでくれてありがとう。それで、何
So you can see what is the voice properties. Like for example, this is male, Japanese, and in Japanese language. Likewise, you can see all the other voices that they have. Now, there are two powers in this particular platform. One, it will allow you to use the existing voice to generate any audio content where you give the script and it will generate in that particular voice. The second one is where it gets interesting. You can generate the content in your own voice. So let me click on this create voice on the right top, and it has instant and high fidelity. The instant one is where you give a 30 seconds clip of your own voice and it'll understand about your speaking style and give you the new content based on the script that you give. This one comes out pretty well because you're going to train the platform with 20 minutes or more of audio. So it'll understand everything about your speaking style and all of that and generate a better quality of your voice clone. Now, of course, this is a paid feature. So let's go with instant. And here we have to give a name, and let's say Ritesh clone. Voice gender is male or female, and then audio to clone. So we have to upload a sample audio from here, okay? Or we can record our voice over here itself. I'm going to upload the sample audio from here. I had downloaded a sample of my voice, and that's what I've uploaded here. This is very important because we have to ensure that we do not misuse this particular platform to upload somebody else's voice and then clone it. And that's why we have to confirm that we have all the rights to clone this particular voice. And click on create clone. So our clone voice is available to use. Now let's click on new file. And here is where we have to give the script. So let me just upload the script over here. And from here, we can change the voice, right? This has been selected by one of the existing voices. So if I click on confirm and click on play.
Welcome to our AI-powered hiring tool, built to help you find the best talent faster than ever.
So this is the voice which is already existing. Now let me search for my clone, and I can select this, click on confirm and click on generate. It is taking a few seconds, but it should be ready anytime soon.
So let me play it again. Welcome to our AI-powered hiring tool, built to help you find the best talent faster than ever.
And you tell me in the comments below whether this voice was close to my original voice. I can download this from here, and that's a paid feature. So if you feel that the output audio is good enough, then probably you can purchase the paid plan so that you can download the voiceovers and use it in other platforms. And when you combine this with platforms like Protagon, then you're not just creating stories which look good, but you're also creating something that sounds cool because it's with your own voice. So do give it a try if you are camera shy or just want to save some time and editing efforts. And if you end up creating something cool, do not forget to tag us so that we can also see what you have created along the way. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.